Chapter 22. Structural and non-structural words. Words are divided into two types, structural and non-structural. Words are the elements of a sentence. In modern English grammar, words are divided into two broad groups. 1. Structural words or minor words, and 2. Non-structural words or major words. Structural words or minor words are also called grammatical words. Non-structural words or major words are also called class words. Difference between structural words and non-structural words. 1. Structural words are used for forming the structure of a sentence. They have little meaning of their own. But non-structural words or major words play the important role in conveying the meaning of a sentence. 2. Only structural words a, an, the, this, as, on, etc. cannot make a sentence, but only a major word, non-structural word, can make a sentence. Yes, no, come, stop, well, thanks, etc. 3. The same structural word, a, an, the, etc. can be used more than once in a sentence, but a non-structural word, major word, cannot be usually repeated in a sentence. 4. Structural words a, an, the, in, on, to, etc. cannot take any prefix or suffix, but more and more new words can be formed by adding prefixes or suffixes with the non-structural words or major words. Example, normal becomes abnormal, greed becomes greedy, etc. 5. Structural words a, an, the, this, by, for, etc. have no interrelationship, while non-structural words or major words or class words have interrelationship. Example, happy, happiness, happily, etc. Structural words or minor words, non-structural words or major words or class words. 1. Determiners a, an, the, this, my, his, our, etc. 1. Nouns boy, girl, cat, bat, hat, etc. 2. Intensifiers or downtoners very much, too, little, rather, etc. 2. Pronouns I, we, he, she, they, it, etc. 3. Auxiliaries shall, will, can, may, etc. 3. Adjectives good, bad, brave, weak, etc. 4. Prepositions in, one, to, for, by, with, etc. 4. Main verbs be, have, do, eat, play, etc. 5. Conjunctions or linkers and, but, or, for, as, if, though, although, however, etc. 5. Adverbs ago, always, fast, now, soon, here, there, well, enough, badly, bravely, hardly, quietly, etc. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.